Welcome to Motors and Roads. This video is on how you can update software version in your Scorpio N without visiting service center. You don't need to go to a service center now just for a software update. An important note before you begin the update process. You need to park your car at a place where you can keep it for around 50 minutes to 1 hour with engine running, and you shall not be in a need to move your car while update is going on. So park your car at a decent place. Your own parking place will be good, but if that is in basement or some place where network connectivity of the car is not good, better to choose any other place where signal strength will be full. The entire process will take around 45 to 50 minutes. You will see a prompt like this to initiate the update, or you can go to settings and can check for updates there as well. Accept it, wait for some time, both the screens will go off for a few seconds. An update will be initiated like this. It will again restart the system. The screens will turn off. Then a screen will appear with progress status like this. The TCU and SOC items will take around 10 minutes. But the VIP item will take a longer time, approximately 30 to 35 minutes. During the update, the screen may go off and on multiple times. You don't need to do anything from your side. Just stay quiet. A confirmation message will appear like this: software update successful. It will restart the system again, and both the screens will come back in normal mode. You can go to the notification section and confirm the update. You can also check the updated software version here. Tap the settings icon at top 5 to 6 times and see the software version. In my case, the current package version was 10.27.65 before the update, and the latest one is 10.34.85. Thanks for watching Motors and Roads.